Welcome to the last lesson of Vue Firebase course. And here, the first thing that we are going to do is, we're going to push our code into GitHub or Bitbucket. And from here, we are going to use this repository URL and push this code into Vercel and Netlify as well. So let's start by copying the URL. And let's visit Vercel. Once you logged in into your account, you can import a Git repository from here. If you are logged in into Vercel by using your GitHub account, then you should be able to see all the repositories, including private and public. And here we are using Vue Firebase. So let's import this. Go with the personal account. It will ask for the project name, framework preset. By default, it is getting the framework that we are using. Build and output settings, environmental variables. In our case, the repository is met to private, so we don't have any issues posting the Firebase configuration values. If in case you are using a public repository, then in that case, do not commit the Firebase configuration values. You can use .env environmental variables and pass the values from here, so that way it will remain secret. Now let's click on deploy. And here you can see the build process has been started. It will take a while to deploy. Once the deployment is finished, you will get this screen, congratulations, and just click on visit. And here we are getting our app, which is uploaded. And just because we have supplied the existing Firebase credentials, so we are getting the already uploaded data. So this is the way to upload your VueJS project from a GitHub repository to Vercel. Now let's move to the Netlify. And here, let's click on New Site from Git. We need to pull the project from GitHub, so click on this. You need to authorize. Now it will let you choose an option to get access to all the repositories or the selected repositories. Here we are getting the list of repositories we have. And by default, I have set the branch to dev. Yarn build command will be used to build the project, and the published directory will be dist. Click on deploy site. Here you can see the site deployment is in progress. And here is our GitHub repository URL. Let's wait for some time. Once the project is deployed by using Netlify, you will get the URL here. And here, we are also getting the exact same output and the URL. Let's check out whether the authentication is working or not. And here you can see it's working. So this is the way to upload data from your Git repository to Netlify to deploy your application.